one on. Oh, look at him go! Oh!
God.
Oh!
Something big.
He jumped.
Get another trap.
It was a big fish.
Are you still on?
Yeah.
What a goddamn turtle, Drew.
It jumped, Jesse.
It was a big fish.
There's a I see a turtle.
I think it's a king mackerel.
I see a turtle.
It's either a mackerel or barracuda.
You better get that in here. They got teeth.
You're way out there.
He is way out there. It jumped.
You want to do a fair fight on this, or do you want me to go toward him?
Let's keep it even. It's Sunday. I need something to do.
If it's something with sharp teeth, you ain't got a leader on there, do you?
No, I do not. It's heavy line though.
All right. Do you have fluoro on there?
This one is hybrid.
You're making it sound good.
I mean, I'm making good progress.
Are you? God. I feel like I've seen this movie before.
It better not be a turtle.
I want to see him jump again. Coming around here.
Oh, I see it.
There he is. There he is.
Maybe a little, I don't know. Maybe a little shark over the T-top.
Yep, I'm coming over.
Is that bone?
Is that a big bonefish?
I don't know.
There's no way that's a bonefish.
What am I seeing? Oh, geez.
It's a mackerel.
It's a mac.
Holy mackerel.
Beautiful mac. You are snagged on him.
Yeah. You got him?
Yeah.
Still on, still on.
Ah! Good catch,
Oh, good
Jesse.
save. Look at that.
Tell me you got that on video.
I did. That was the save.
That was a team effort.
Oh my goodness.
Nice, Mac.
Beautiful color.